Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Irish American flag available in the market. This Irish American flag from FLAGWIX stands out for its exceptional quality and craftsmanship. Made from premium polyester, it's designed to endure various weather conditions, whether it's heavy rain, strong winds, or the scorching sun. Let's talk about its design. The flag is double-sided, ensuring that the artwork and text are visible from both sides. This feature not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also makes it a versatile choice for both indoor and outdoor use. The colors are vibrant and the dye used is UV fade resistant, ensuring that the flag retains its striking appearance over time. Whether you're celebrating national holidays like Independence Day or simply displaying your pride, this flag is designed to last. Crafted with durability in mind, this flag is built to withstand the elements. It's made from a blend of polyester and nylon, known for their strength and resilience. Looking for a perfect gift? Look no further. This flag not only makes a thoughtful gesture but also serves as a lasting symbol of American patriotism. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-quality Irish American flag that combines durability, vibrant design, and pride in craftsmanship, this flag from FLAGWIX is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this has been Product Critique.